Hello, this is part 3 of proportionality. In part 2, we solve the problem on the left, and I will show you how the one on the right is slightly different than the one on the left. So in order to start, we have to determine which numbers will be on the numerator, that's the top of the fraction, and I will choose the numbers on the top of our picture to be at the top. Okay. After doing that, we have to figure out which numbers go on which fractions. So let's use the same colors and do the same thing as we did on the problem on the left. That means that the numbers between the two parallel lines, that's 48 and 30, that would be one of our fraction. And on the other one, we also determine that the numbers on this piece right here would be another fraction. The only question is, what is the value of question mark? How can we get that? Well, other than the section in orange and purple, there's another section that we can use. As you can see, we have at the top, we have that the length of the entire thing, that means 48 plus the value of x, is equal to 22x. In order to get x, we would have to subtract 48 from 22x. Or we have another option. If you look on the other side, this section right here that I'm highlighted in blue is 25. This other piece is 30. If we add them up, what is the length of the whole thing? The answer is 55. That means that we will be able to use 22x and 55 as one of our ratios. Going back to the fractions, we have on the orange, we have 48 because the 48 is on the side that says top, over 30. That's the other number in the orange section. That would be equal to, now we are not looking at the purple section because we didn't get the value of x. We are looking at the numbers highlighted in blue. That means we have 22x over 55. We will be simplifying the numbers the same way that we did in the previous problem. So let's start by reducing the numbers if possible. Is there a number that divides both 48 and 30? The answer is yes. We can divide by 6. 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8, and 30 divided by 6 is 5. We will try to simplify things even more. We are trying to simplify the numbers at the bottom. Is there a number that divides both 5 and 55? The answer is yes. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 55 divided by 5 is 11. Once we have that, we will be cross multiplying. So let's cross multiply